how to fix Snapchat unable to add friends or contacts. Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video I'll guide you on how you can fix unable to add friends or contacts on Snapchat, so make sure to watch the video till the end. If you want to fix unable to add friends or contacts on Snapchat, then all you have to do is just make sure to open the Snapchat app here. Normally when you're just trying to add someone from your friends list, so let's say you're just going to the plus icon here, you want to make sure to add a friend, but whenever you search for someone else's friend over here, it simply says that you basically cannot add that person. Now why does this happen? So this could be happening due to a couple of reasons. If you're trying to add one specific person, then it could mean that person has basically blocked you. So it means that the Snapchatter blocked you. If a Snapchatter blocks you, then you can't add them, or maybe the Snapchatter deleted their account. If the account was deleted, then you can't add them as well. The other reason is if you also have too many friends and you added friends too quickly. So if you keep adding friends too quickly, then it simply says unable to add friends, or just try to slow down a little bit, because Snapchat is going to think this is likely a spam behavior. And you also want to make sure you don't have too many friends, because Snapchat also has a limit to how many friends you can have. The other thing you want to make sure is that you have allowed access for your contacts. So if you're not being able to add a contact, it could be because Snapchat app is lacking your contact access. Just go ahead and along put the Snapchat app icon here, then just tap the I button as you can see here. Then go to permissions, make sure to tap on contacts, and then make sure it is set to allowed so that Snapchat can access your contacts. And after they've done that, when you come back to the quick add section next time, you'll be able to add people in that way. So hope this video helped you as to how you can fix unable to add friends on Snapchat. If you have any questions, make sure to leave them down. Thank you for watching. See you soon in the next video.